All right, guys, Math Chat 36, going to go over our different concepts here and then let you guys work on this independently. For algebraic thinking, we're doing some more order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Remember, you are doing the innermost grouping first. So these are called brackets, these ones that look like C's, I guess. And then these out here, these little curly key ones are called braces. So we're going to go into the parentheses, then the brackets, then the braces, okay? So for this one right here, we're going to do the 8 plus 4 first, the innermost grouping. I know 8 plus 4 is 12, okay? Then I'm going to add 6 to 12 to get 18, okay? Now I'm going to go to my outermost grouping. 18 minus 3 is going to give me 15. 15 times 2 is going to get me 30. So my answer for here is going to be 30. Again, I started with my innermost grouping first. 8 plus 4 is 12. Next grouping is add 6 to that, so I have 18. Next grouping is subtract 3 from that, so you get 30. Or I'm sorry, you get 15. Then multiply that by 2 to get 30. The next portion you are going to work on are base 10 numbers. We're going to be working on writing each number in word form. So you're going to want to make sure you are converting this from standard form to word form. So for example, I'll help you out with this middle one. My 6 is in the thousandths place. So I'm going to write this out as just 6 thousandths. Okay. Remember, wherever you see a decimal, that's the word and. So right here you have a decimal in between some digits, so you're going to want to include the word and. Down here you're not going to want to include the word and because there is no digit before the decimal. That affects the value of it. Down here for fractions, after a sleepover, 3/4 of a large pepperoni pizza remained. The next day, Mr. Maxwell ate 1/8 of what was left over. What fraction of a large pizza did Mr. Maxwell eat? So you're going to be wanting to work on some multiplication here because it's 1/8 of 3/4. Okay? How much pizza remained after Mr. Maxwell ate some? That one's going to be some subtraction. Okay? Let me make sure I said that right. Large remain. The next dimension, 8 1/8 of what was left. What fraction? Yes. Yes. Okay. Down here for measurement and data, again, some more line plots. You are going to go over here. You're going to take these numbers and drag them over based on size underneath the line plot. And then the X is going to go on top of however many times those numbers were introduced or not introduced, listed. Last but not least, some geometry. You're going to kind of create what's called a hierarchy or like a family. So you're going to drag the terms and then you're going to bring the arrow over to show the connection. So we know that the polygon is going to go first. After polygon, what's the next shape family that goes in order? Would it be acute triangle, right triangle, or obtuse triangle, or just triangles? Then underneath triangles, what are we going to find? You're going to kind of create like a family tree. There's no real right format that you can use for these as long as they go in order. That's all that really matters. Use this arrow to show the hierarchy as well. All right, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out. Good luck and take care.